Welcome back, Crammers, to question 6. Sandeep sells a total of 600 tickets and he receives $7,200 from selling all the tickets. 1/4 of the tickets sold are children tickets. The rest sold are adult tickets. So we have 1 minus 1 over 4. This is the same as 4 over 4 minus 1 over 4. And we're left with 3 over 4 for the adult tickets. The cost of an adult ticket is $13.6. Work out the cost of a child ticket. So we know that the total is $7,200. And we can see that for the adult tickets, there are 3/4 of 600. So we can put here 600 times 3 over 4. And don't forget that each ticket is sold at 13.6. Now we can add the child ticket. So we have 600 again times 1/4, and we don't know what the cost is, so we just simply put here X. So then we can actually calculate this and find our answer. We have 7,200 is equal to 600 times 3 over 4 is 0.75 times $13.6 gives us 6,120. 6,120 plus 600 times 1 over 4x. So we have 600 divided by 4 gives us 150. 150 times x is 150x. Now we can bring 6,120 to the other side, and we have 7,200 minus 6,120 is equal to 150x. We can divide both sides by 150. That cancels out. Divide by 150. And now we can find out what x is. So we can see it is 7,200 minus 6,120 divided by 150, which gives us $7.2 $7.2 per child ticket. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.